All right, if you guys like working on cars and other things, manly things, DuraTech sent me some more tools. And these things are freaking awesome. Didn't you see them? All right, check it out. Let me first give you the skinny on it here so you guys can see. So this is it right here. This is what we got. Take a look at that, right? So now I just got to get this little band off it, like that. And then this opens up like this, right? Are you guys getting excited yet to see what's in here? Here comes the big reveal. You ready? Look at those. Oh my God. There's 5 of them. And they're all different sizes. See? And check it out. Oh, if you got one of those hard to get at nuts, bam, that's how it works. You just twist this. Look at that. Oh my God, this is like, if you, here's the sizes, right? And there they are. So look, check it out. I'm gonna put this, set it down for a second. But look at this. So you've got this here, and then you put it right into your bolt, and bam, Bob's your uncle. Look at that. See how that works? Now if I twist it this way, so it's on and off, right? So this would be tightening it. You see that? See how it ratchets? It's like a ratchet. You see that? Now if I want to loosen it, I flip it over here. See, so this would be going lefty-loosey. When you hear the sound, it's just staying where it's at. It's like a ratchet. So yeah, these things are freaking awesome. Oh my God, look at this one. Oh, look at that, look at that. Is that crazy? I mean, these things they're good. I highly recommend. I would highly recommend getting these and using them on your hard to get at nuts. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out. I gotta put them back in the bag. You do not want, you want to keep them in here because this is really nice. I gotta say, man, I totally dig this thing. And then you just wrap them up like this, and that protects them. And it has like a little, Velcro here. See this? So it Velcros. And now you've got your like basically ratchet kind of tool all wrapped up. All right, get them right here on Amazon. Peace out.